Join me and my sister, Downtown B.B. We're leaving the city and we're going to an exclusive resort. Oh, I'm so glad I'm here. I have a secret for her. I can't wait to tell her what it is. I just love this box. It's super cool. Oh my gosh, let's open the package. I can't wait. It's super exciting. Look at it. Aqua, Camouflage. This is Downtown B.B. She is super cool. I can tell already. There's her sister. There she is again. She's right next to Uptown Girl and 24 Karat DJ. OMG, we sisters strut, fierce style, and stand out from the crowd. Because we're here to surprise the world. Cool. 20 surprises. Oh my gosh, what's going to be in there? I can't wait to see. Let's find out. Okay, let's see here. Commence. Whoa, there she is. Wow, look how cool she is. Oh my goodness. Look at those big earrings. Look at those lips. Black and white. Like checker flag. She's getting ready for NASCAR, it looks like. This is so awesome. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, there she is. She's saying hi. Hey, dress me. Unbox Fashions. It's a dressing room. Oh wow, that's super cool. Oh my gosh, let's open it. Strut your stuff. Oh my gosh, I love her. Hi girls. It's me, Downtown B.B. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. OMG. Look at her. She's got her hand on her hip. Wow. She's wearing like some cutoff cropped pants. Really cute graphic top with a little cutoff here. Cutout and some mesh on her sleeve. I like the asymmetrical style. Super cool. She's got blue hair right here and bangs. Do you like her?
Yeah.
Do you want to help open her?
Yeah.
All right. Open up. I'll help you with this part. I think this is like a little magazine. She's a Capricorn. It says the city lights are aligned.
Ooh, nice.
What is that? Sunglasses. Okay, this is a box. And it says size 6.5. Black and white booties. Oh, wow. Look at that.
It comes with this one.
Oh, you're so funny. You are so funny. All right. Another boot. And look, really cool hoop earrings. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. And then look at this. What is this? It looks like a bracelet. It's like white and gold. That's awesome. I love that. Take a look. What is it, Emily?
A sock.
Yeah, shirt, jacket. Looks like it's got a zipper, checker flags. Super cool. I love it.
Look at
Let's move this
this.
stuff out of the way. Oh, I like that one. Oh, wow. Camo pants. Just like the picture.
That's all.
Oh, I love it.
That's
I
all
love it.
her hat.
And show me that doll. This one over here, the little girl that came with the RC wheels. Oh, her glasses are coming off. She's so cute. Look, they're sisters. Hello. We're totally sisters. Hi, everyone.
Decorator. Open earrings and hair. Where's our ear?
Let's take her out of the box. Oh my gosh, we just found another surprise behind the doll.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's opening. I don't know. I don't.
Oh my gosh, she's so cool.
I'm opening it and opening it.
Okay, how many things do we have to cut to get the doll out? Let's check.
What?
What is it? Oh my gosh, it's a purse.
It can open.
It opens. Super exciting. I bet you there's going to be something else in here. Wonder what it's going to be. Look at all these things you have to cut. Oh my gosh, we finally got her cut out of the packaging, I think. Maybe we have one more little snip to do. Snip, snip. Don't snip at all. Oh my God. Okay, here she is, Downtown B.B. She's out of her box. And she's ready to get dressed and go have fun with her little sister. Hi, everybody. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have so much fun. Welcome to the resort. OMG, tell me what the secret is. I'm so excited. I can't wait to find out. I can't tell you. I have to show you. What do you mean, show me? Are we going to Hawaii?
Yeah.
Tahiti? How about Europe? Okay, let's go then. Yeah, we're going on a trip.
Yeah.
That's the secret?
Yeah.
Wow, how exciting.
I'm done.
We're going on a trip.
We are going doors.
I don't know. Do you know where we're going?
No.
Is that another secret?
Yeah.
Oh
so.
boy. Oh my gosh, here we go.
It's so much fun. I love things.
Well, we've had lots of fun opening up Downtown B.B, this LOL OMG doll. She was super cute. She definitely did not disappoint us with all her fun accessories, her bright blue hair, checker flag shirt, camo pants. We loved it. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked our video about Downtown B.B, please subscribe to our channel, Sky and Sky.